Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be showing you guys how I make air fried crispy honey lemon pepper chicken drumsticks. And these are the drumsticks. Now what you want to do, you want to dry this stuff out. And I'm going to be using my New Way oven right here. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to take these chicken. This is just the bottom pan to collect the debris. Alright, now I've been getting a lot of people saying that they think I'm using too much seasoning or whatever the case may be. It may look like it, but I'm not. Here I'm putting like a 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on this chicken. Just like that. I'm finna come in here with some granulated onion. Half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. See, when you're shaking it like this, it looks like it's a lot, but it's not really. Okay, that's a half a teaspoon of the granulated onion. We want a half a teaspoon of garlic, granulated. Half a teaspoon, guys. Okay. Now this just give it some flavor. No salt required in this recipe because your lemon pepper already have salt and stuff in it. Okay. Now I got some ginger. I'm coming with a quarter of that. Quarter teaspoon of that. That's it on that. I got some turmeric. I'm going to come with half a teaspoon of that. Put that to the side. I got some lemon pepper seasoning. I'm coming with a teaspoon. Matter of fact, I'm coming with tablespoon of that. Okay. Then we're just gonna come with like teaspoon. Well, let's go ahead and use the other spoon for you guys won't get confused. This is just parsley. We'll put that on there. And that's that. Now, we're going to mix this up with our hands. Now, you can use a bowl, guys. I just don't want to dirty up another dish. I mean, I should have anyway, but hey, I ain't going to even cry about it. Because I got to wash this back out anyway. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this on the rack and we're going to start cooking these bad boys. Alright. Alright, let me go ahead and clean this up and put this stuff on the rack. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. That's how it looks on here. Just like that, guys. Now, I want to come with a little bit of this more of this lemon pepper seasoning just on top of it. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to do it. Just like so. Alright. This ain't even a quarter, I'm just sprinkling. Alright? Alright. And I think that's it. Now we're going to put this top on here. I have to get my cord on here. Put that up. Come over here and push cook time. It'll only go up to 350, guys, so I can try to put it on 400. It don't never go to 400, so it's only 350 on this new wave. All right. So we got it on cook time. That's right there. Then we're gonna push this right here. Then we're gonna come in here for like 30 minutes. Alright, 30 minutes, we're going to check on this, guys, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Time to go ahead and check on this. This over here. You got to turn this chicken leg over, like so. They actually done, but I want mine to get crispy on both sides. It only takes like about a good 45 minutes. I'll probably put it on 15 more minutes. And I'm very sorry for the alarm, the smoke detector. I don't know what's going on with it. They done changed it out 2 or 3 times. Maybe they have to change the whole thing or something. But it is what it is for right now. So, like I said, I'm sorry for that. And we're just going to go ahead and turn these over like so. I'm done with that. Now, before I do anything else, I'm going to take some of this organic lemon juice right here. This is organic. Okay, this I read the ingredients that say organic lemons. It ain't got nothing else in it. So I'm just sprinkle a little bit of this on there. Give it an extra twang to it. Just like that, guys. And that's it on that. Now what I will do, because all my oil probably cooked off, I got some spray butter. You can use some olive oil, but I'm going to use some of this butter. Got Crisco. Spray some of that on there. And we're going to cook it for 15 more minutes on this side. And put our honey on there. We'll dress it up and show you guys what we're working with. So here we go. Cook time, 15 minutes, start. See you guys when this gets done. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm finally done with this air fried, crispy, honey lemon pepper drumsticks. That's how that looks up close. I got one over here that I'm going to taste for you guys. So yeah. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the taste. Alright. That is super good. Gotta try that. So if you guys can get a bite of this. Bite that piece right there. Right there. Super good. It is. Yeah, so guys, it was good. Let me go ahead and wrap this up. If you like this video, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right. Hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.